Right, good afternoon, choppers. Hope everyone is well. Hope you had a fantastic weekend. Welcome to the new week, new month, new year. We are about to get into 2025, and I'm hoping that you had a fantastic 2024. Even if it was not fantastic, you still have another chance. Still have another chance to prove to yourself. So yeah, let's finish the year on a strong note, and let's see how we can capitalize with only few days left for 2024. Right, it's a Monday. Let's mark a register. Where are you watching me from today? Let's mark the register. Please let me know in the comment section where you are watching me from. Rory, our deputy president, is here. Rory is saying afternoon, choppers. Let's get those pips, choppers. We've got all basic needs. Nice name. Jenny to Success saying good afternoon, choppers. Ayanda, good to see you, my friend. Yeah, keep the comments coming. Where are you watching me from? While you do that, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and just share the broadcast. Share the broadcast. I don't know, but today I have a good feeling. I feel like today I think we're gonna make some good money today. It's just a feeling. It's a feeling. It has nothing to do with anything. It's just how I feel. It's how positive I am. It's how I woke up today. I woke up positive, man. So yeah, I think we're gonna have a positive day. I don't know what you guys think. Ayanda is watching us from Soweto. Matthews is watching us from Krugersdorp. And Jerry to Success is watching us all the way from Soweto. Kgasi. We've got Lebo Mufokeng watching us from Vosloorus, Israel. DJ Kgasi is watching us from Soshanguve. Good to see everyone here. Alright, choppers, keep them coming. Tiago is watching us from Orlando in Soweto. I don't know if I'm the only one, but I feel positive today. I feel like we're gonna make some money today. That's how I feel. Right, Nomfood is watching us from East London. We've got Ricoto watching from Pitori Central. We've got Eric. Eric doesn't waste time, doesn't have time to tell us where he's coming from. He just wants to go straight to USD Japanese. Maybe Eric has a position there, or he wants to take a position quickly. Noah Bond is watching us from Davidton. Good to see you, Noah. Tabang Skosan is also watching us from Davidton. Maybe Noah and Tabang, you need to connect. Maybe you need to connect there. Let's get some pips today. It's a new week, second week. Is it the second week of November? Let's get some pips today. Chokozanim CV is watching us from Zagaria Park. Where is that? Choco, let us know where is Zagaria Park. Nice name, Zagaria Park. Bonis is watching is watching us from Kapalodumo. Yes, Cape Town. Cape Town. That's a difficult name for me. That's a difficult name for me to pronounce. Eric is coming back. He's saying he's watching from Kempton Park. Good to see you, my friend. Komuto is watching us from Pretoria. Cyrus is watching us from Kenya. Kenya is in the building. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Yeah, I think today we have to make some money, choppers. I feel it. I feel like that. I don't know why, but I woke up like this. I feel like today is a day to make some money. Right, let's get to the market quickly. What do we have? Let me try to remove everything that I have. Oh, by the way, ladies and gentlemen, yesterday there's an analysis that was released on the channel, so go check it out. It's going to give you an idea of what is to expect this coming week. Right, I spoke of the fact that we have this on euro dollar, quite concerning, but it's not something that we can't deal with. We often see market behavior like this. POC in the middle, you know what I normally say, that if you've got a market that is consolidating and you find market ranging in between price, and in the middle you have your POC, right? It gives you an idea that this is a serious consolidation level. So we are consolidating right now on the euro dollar. My take on this is it's going to be difficult for me to spot trades if I'm still within the box. But let's try to recap about the dollar, right? What we know is that the dollar is strong. The dollar has been strong, and I think the dollar is going to keep on being strong. Excuse me. And this is some of the things that I've mentioned. This is some of the things that I've mentioned on the episode that was released last night. That what is basically happening right now is that it's as much as it's good for Trump to win, and it's good for the market, but for developing countries, I can tell you that it's not good at all. For us, like a country like South Africa, I can tell you without a doubt that it's not really good, because there are certain industries that are going to suffer, especially in our country, right? Because of, remember that we have some things that we export to the US, and Trump, you know, with his policies, is sometimes all over the place, but he's clear about what he wants. So he spoke about increasing some tariffs here and there, especially in the automotive industry and the mining industry. So I'm just concerned that the more we keep on increasing interest rates, the more we are going to slow our economy, and the more things are going to be expensive. So I think it's just that thing, that as much as we are happy, yes, we are happy Trump won, but our government needs to intervene as well to say, how are we going to deal with this dollar, right? Because the dollar is skyrocketing. I mean, the dollar is skyrocketing. Let's look at the performance of the dollar ever since the elections, right? Look at that. This is from the elections, right? This is from the elections, right? And there's a picture I want to draw for you guys. Look at this. I want to show you something here. I want to show you how strong this thing is, right? I want you to see the distance that took this dollar to come to this point, right? From this price here to here, right? Now let's look at price between $1.09 and $1.06, right? And let's see what is happening there. Look at how long it took to arrive from $1.06 to $1.09, right? Look at these days. I mean, this is an arguably months, right? We are talking of a month or so, right? From $1.06 to $1.09, right? This was the acceleration of the euro. But look at that work was covered in how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. Now, a work that was created for 1 month plus, it has been covered in 5 days. It tells you that the dollar is not here to play. The dollar means business, and there's a lot to look at, right? So what I'm anticipating on this is that maybe we might find a breather where we say maybe this market go to the upside. If this market will come at this point here, I'm definitely not going to look for selling opportunities, because this is what the market can do, and then it can reload from there, right? I'm anticipating $1.06 for us to start looking for selling opportunities, right? That's if it goes to that level, right? But anything that will be below my POC level, POC currently trading at $1.05, right? Anything that will be below my POC level, this is how I'm gonna take it, right? And I can reload from there, right? But if we go to the upside, I'm definitely looking at going to $1.06 before I can think of going to the downside. That's my take on the euro dollar. But I just don't like the fact that since we open in the morning, we've been moving like this. Gold is the one that is quite interesting, up by 1%. We're gonna get to it just now. Even British pound USD, there's not much going on here, right? My take on this is maybe this is our inverse head and shoulder, peak formation forming, possible peak formation forming. And I like the fact that if it gives us this is our 2, right? You know how we trade as choppers. Our 3 can be there, and we go to the upside. Okay. Let me have a clean chart. But in a nutshell, you don't have anything to bite on now. Let me have a clean chart on this. You don't have anything to bite on at the moment. Look, even 15 minutes. We've been having those pins on the POC, so I wouldn't be surprised if we go to the upside. Trap. That's how I can look at it. That's euro, British pound USD for me. Now let's have a look at gold. Now, this was my analysis yesterday. Go check out that video yesterday that I released yesterday. This is what I said about gold. Look at 15 minutes. I said break, retest POC, $2,568 an ounce. Look for a rejection candle, buy there. But now all this movement happened during Asia, right? Which was quite interesting to see. We broke above, retest and reloading positions at 2,593. Come on, choppers. Those that are in the choppers funded, I'm believing that you are in a trade, because this is what we spoke about in the morning. Break, retest, look for a rejection candle, take it there, lights out. So I'm still bullish on gold even today. Still bullish on gold. Now let's have a look at USD30. Right, so my anticipation on US30 was I need a rejection candle like this, or an indecision candlestick like this. Then I can sell at not US30, NASDAQ. What am I talking about? NASDAQ at 20,500. This is where I said I want a rejection candle. Then I can take it to the downside, right? That 21,000, can you see that we came from that 21,000? I wanted to see if we can come back to 20,000. Then we reload from 21,000. Or 20,000 rather. We did not have that. So once I saw that we broke below this level, I said you break, retest this level, and you go to the downside. That's an analysis that we also had in the morning. So I'm hoping you guys are already in these trades, shaping up well. Nice one. Let's see. The only way I can attack US30 is to break below 43,300. Then I can go to the downside. That's US30. That's how I'm going to approach US30 today. WTI. Right, so WTI, we said we want to sell at $68.62 per barrel. $68.62 a barrel. This is where we want to sell this thing. However, if it does break above and retest the same level, then we're going to go to the downside, upside rather. So yeah, our position is still intact there. AUD USD. So AUD USD, we're waiting for the market to at least break above 64 cents before we go to 65. Then we can drop from 65 cents. But as it is now, let me have a clean chart on it. We don't have anything on this thing as yet. Let's see, where can we find our POC? POC is in the middle, so we are still consolidating, right? Or you can reload from there. That's how I'm looking at AUD USD. Let's look at USD Japanese. That's how I see USD Japanese. That's my analysis on it. Alright, choppers, don't forget to like and subscribe. Please do me a favor by liking and subscribing. What's number one on my watch list today? I think WTI, as you know, lately it has been my favorite. So that's what I have on WTI. I also like this British Pound USD. I like the fact that we've got some pins here at our POC level, right? So yeah, this thing can give us some points to the upside before we can go to drop back to $1.26 and buy from there once more. Gold is waiting for no man, now currently trading at 2,600. We have touched the 2,600 mark. Beautiful to see gold up by 1.5% at least. I think it's getting a bit of a momentum to the upside just because of when you look at the euro dollar and British pound USD, you will see that they are kind of in the sidelines. So that's why maybe you see gold behaving the way it does. We haven't looked at our heat map this today. Let's have a look at our heat map. Right, so what do we have so far? Euro up and is strong for the day. We have US dollar a bit weak for the session now, just before the US Open. British pound USD, I would say it's quite neutral. Canadian dollar neutral as well. Japanese yen, I call it Kaiser Chiefs, is always down. Hong Kong dollar down. Singapore dollar down. Chinese yuan down. So yeah, it seems like the euro today is the strongest, followed by Swiss franc. Journey to Success is saying gold can give us some proper buys this week. Yeah, I'm also hopeful that we might get that this coming week, my friend. This for me looks like a short-term buy on NASDAQ, and I'll tell you the reason why I say that, right? Please allow me to have a clean chart on this. The reason why I say that is that a lot of people will want to drop until here. Chances are this thing's gonna go up, then have an initial drop. Chances are it's going to go up from here. Why? Because a lot will want to enter here, thinking that we are going all the way to the downside, right? It's what we call those silly mistakes that we make as retail traders. Black Willow, good to see you, my friend. Same. Hello, President. Just last week, NAS shot went very well. This week, I'm expecting bulls on NAS. Yeah. We've been anticipating that. Remember, we got stopped out on NASDAQ the first time around these areas here, right? It went against us, but we're able to catch it to the downside. For us, it was inevitable to know that NASDAQ definitely were going to look for some buying opportunities there. So I mean selling opportunities. So let's see today. Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget that on the 30th of November I'll be meeting with you guys in Pretoria for the gala dinner. Please, if you have not registered, make sure that you do register today to reserve your seat, and let's chat about business and let's chat about trading. This coming Saturday, I'll be speaking at, there's an event about EAs and trading. It's happening in Melrose Arch. I'll be there as one of the speakers. It's good to see and to know that my mentor will be there as well. Simon Brown will be there, and I can't wait, man. You know, some of you have your mentors. I also have my own mentor. Someone I look up to. So sometimes it's good to know that you're gonna speak next to your mentor. It's an honor, you know, when you are speaking next to your mentor. It's a beautiful thing. So yeah, this coming Saturday I'll be speaking next to my mentor, my GOAT. His name is Simon Brown. Some of you know him. So let's mark this price here. That's just my anticipation that from here we're gonna see a serious bullish momentum before we can drop. Euro dollar still within the box, but you know, there's something about British pound that I like. All these pins are at our POC level. Excuse me, all these pins are at our POC level, so I would love to see the reaction that will come in there. I would love to see that. Let's also not forget that we've got WTI that we are eyeing, watching it like a hawk. $67.13 is where we have our POC on this. All right, choppers, how was your weekend? Let me know how your weekend was. What were you up to? Please don't forget to like and subscribe, choppers. Do me that favor. We were actually looking at the numbers yesterday. If it's going to be possible to reach 4,000 by the end of the year. I'm still hopeful, man. I'm still hopeful. Also, do remember that the stream is also available in HD. You can always change your settings there. Look at gold move. Look at gold move. Beautiful setup on gold, man. Like what I see. Two price points that we look into: $2,569 an ounce. That's what we looked at. We also looked at $2,594 an ounce. Beautiful, beautiful setup on gold. Ayan is asking me about buying on euro dollar. Yeah, I think buying euro dollar, my friend, I'm just careful about it because, man, the dollar is too strong. So anything that goes against it, it's quite a concern for me. I think for me, if I'm going to look for buying opportunities on the dollar, it's just short term. It's just short term, right? Only short term. Because there's a rumor that the dollar, euro dollar will go back to $1.03 before the end of the year. Right? It's a rumor. We don't trade rumors. Analysts, they always analyze, right? That's their job. They analyze, right? So let's find out. Journey to success. Family time, Mr. President. Last week was a blessed week. I'm glad, my friend, you had some time with family. Rory saying weekend was all about backtesting and watching psychology videos. We fight to improve, as always, Mr. President. Noah Bond is saying my weekend was good until I started trading gold this morning. I'm really sorry, my friend. You know how gold is like. You know how gold is like. I'm really sorry, my friend. I'm really, really sorry. I'm really sorry. Tabizo Lover Boy said my weekend was hectic. Busy. I was busy preparing for my final exam. All the best, my friend. To those of you that are writing exams, all the best to you. All the best to you. I'm telling you, I feel good today. I feel good today. I feel like today we're gonna have serious home runs, right? That's how I feel. I don't know how you guys feel, but I feel like today we're gonna have a home run, serious home runs. Let's do it. Let's find some redemption for Noah Bond, right? So that we form a serious bond amongst us. Because some of us, we have some bonds to pay month end. Koroshi, my friend, good to see you. Saying good afternoon, choppers. How are you, Mr. President? I'm okay, my friend. I'm exhausted. I don't want to lie. I'm exhausted. My weekend was busy. I was busy. Yeah, I was busy. My weekend was just busy. So I'm exhausted. And exhausted. But yeah. I wish I had a family time like some of you here. But remember, I'll be working until the 23rd of December. I'm only closing on the 23rd of December. Let's try to get some paper just for the last time and see what God has for us this season, man. Let's see. Let's have a look at BTC, Bitcoin. Currently consolidating at 89,788. So 100,000 is what we're looking at. And this is what I was saying to ENCA on Friday, that look, there's a lot of speculation that we're going to 100,000. But remember, guys, everyone that is an analyst, they analyze what they see. It's not a prediction. It's not what will happen. What it's just using data that they have to analyze. So there's a lot of speculation that we're gonna reach 100,000 before the end of the year. But let me tell you something without a doubt that I am expecting a serious dump on Bitcoin anytime from the beginning of December. I'm expecting a serious dump on Bitcoin because what is basically saying happening right now is everyone wants a piece of it. Everyone wants a piece of Bitcoin, but the day it's going to dump, I'm telling you, a lot of people are going to get ahead. So let's trade it with some cautious and ensure that we have our stop losses in place and we mitigate our risk quite well. So yeah, let's see what's going to happen, man. Do you know that you have the guys that are heavy on crypto? You know they donated 150, if I'm not mistaken, $150 million to Donald Trump. Then it's going to be serious, I'm telling you. The markets are going to be volatile. I can assure you that from now on until the markets are going to be seriously volatile. DJ KC say at Noah Bond, you are not alone, bro. I've hit SL twice on gold today. I'm assuming maybe you guys were selling, right? I told you last week that there will be a time where I'm not gonna sell this thing, right? I'm assuming you guys were selling. Ladies and gentlemen, please do me a favor by like the stream. Please ensure that you like the stream. Like the stream. You just click like there. It's absolutely free. Yeah, Noah, I figured, my friend. Let's have a look at that NASDAQ, the buy we anticipated there. I think my interest right now is on this WTI. On the other hand, I'm looking at this setup here at $67.87, right? And I'm like, this is too easy to see. So easy to see. Break reaches and sell just like that. I don't know. I might want to reevaluate this. This is just too easy. This is too easy to see. Let's give it some time. Black Willow is saying, Mr. President, I had a great trading experience currency on Okta. It's good to see, my friend, that you had a good trading experience. I want you guys to understand that you know how many brokers are knocking at my door to partner with me. A lot of brokers, a lot of brokers. Every day we receive like an email, a request for a meeting, and we're like, but the people are enjoying Okta. Why do we want to change the winning team? It's just my view about the industry, man, that just jumping from one broker to another as if but I don't know, but it's just my view, it's just my my view on it, right? And it's as long as people are getting value for what they do, right? So Black Willa had to delete that. It deleted that comment there. And I was gonna answer you, Black Willow, because I think you were asking me about which broker I would recommend for indices, right? And I can't. I can't. I'm not allowed to do that, right? I'm not allowed to do that. But yeah, text me, Black Willow. Korosh is asking, Mr. President, I've got two questions. Linda is saying, struggling to understand as to why would watch something. Why would one watch? I think that's what he wanted to say. Something that he does not like. Perhaps shoppers can make me understand. Yeah, give us the context, Linda, because we don't know what you are talking about, my friend. Just give us the context there. What's happening, my brother? Korosh is saying, one, which prop firm do you recommend? Two, how do you feel about trading during December and January? Because markets shown to be choppy during that time. Okay, so let me answer you. You're putting me on the spot, Koroshi. Text me. You're putting me on the spot. Look, I've always spoken about FTMO, right? And you know how I've been attacked about prop firms. A lot of people are attacking me about prop firms. MJ doesn't like prop firms. He's discouraging them. No, I don't like prop firms that are scamming. That's my problem. I don't like prop firms that are scamming people. I don't like it, right? I always say, if you want a good prop firm, go for big names. Yes, they are expensive, but there's a reason why they're expensive. For me, I always said, and my anger came from my Forex funds, having an issue with our money that time. So that's when I became so disciplined about prop firms. I'm like, I need to be careful. Whoever thought that a big company like my Forex fund would have a problem? No one ever thought. No one never thought a company that big would have issues, right? So I would say for me, the platform I would recommend will have to be FTMO. It will just have to be FTMO, right? And the second question Koroshi is asking me is that how do I feel about trading during December and January? Well, for me, the second week of January, I remember I always say, if I get on the trading station, for the fact that I'm on the trading station, it's not really about taking trades, it's about studying, right? So yes, the market can be choppy, but I think we're gonna see a surprise this year, especially December and January. I think we're gonna see a serious surprise. I think we're gonna have a volatile market this December and January. Remember, Donald Trump is not yet sworn in, right, as a president. Only I think it will happen in January on the 20th or something like that. I think we are going to see a serious, because the markets also have to prepare for this gentleman as well. He's coming in, and we know how the dollar has been bullying the markets for all these years. So I think just because of that, and there's a lot happening, you know, in the world. There are wars happening, and so yeah, that's my view. I think we're gonna have a serious volatility this coming season. That's my view on it. So yeah. John Tebuse, Mr. President, I see the market when I'm trading with you. Took SL on gold during my lunch time. Now after work, recovered the loss, made some profit. I saw that earlier was trading against the trend. Okay. Okay. I'm glad you were able to recover, my friend. Naftali is saying good. He's late. Rory saying they must do research and their license also if they are A book and B book. Yeah. Linda is saying I'm talking about likes versus people that are watching. Oh, I see. Yeah, you are right. Please, you see, Linda there is coming in and is rebuking us. Like we only have 22 people like him, but 46 people are watching this. So Linda is basically saying, guys, you are watching it. The least you can do for the channel, just click the like there, so that you can boost our algorithm, right? So I hear you. Thanks for that, Linda. Really appreciate it. Let me tell you something. I saw something and I'm like, as traders, there's a lot of things that we can do, man. I think if you are a trader, look into property next year. Definitely look into property next year. Look into that. And I'll tell you why. Sure, that dollar, I like what I see on the dollar. That strength is coming in. We are finding some resistance at what, dollar 589. So Rory talking about the A book and the B book. One thing I can tell you guys is that this industry is filthy, man. It's filthy. And don't kill your brand because of money. Don't kill your brand because of money. Don't ever do that. Because what I know is that a lot of people follow the money, which is good, but at the end of the day, you need to protect your brand, man. If you are able to build your brand without money, then don't kill it with money. Don't do it. Let's look at that NASDAQ of ours. Our anticipation is 20,581. Oratile is saying, I see you follow Oropo Michael, Lenyora Daman. Yep. Yeah, I normally follow people that are not that known, man. Very wise man. Noah Bond is saying, yeah, let's normalize to like. Yeah, I agree with you guys. Let's grow this channel, man. You know, like I always say that for how long are we gonna put up with nonsense, man, that we are getting from the industry? I'm not saying that we as shoppers we are the best. Well, I would wanna believe that we are the best, but at the same time we are trying our best to be as professional as possible, you know, not to give people false hope, things that are not there, man. You know, we as traders, especially mentors, we kill a lot of you guys' dreams by giving you a hope that is not there. And I don't know how one sleeps at night knowing that you lie to people every day for the sake of your stomach, man. It really doesn't make sense. I know somehow they will normally say that to win in life you have to screw people. But for how long will you screw people to get to the top? For how long will you do that? So yeah, let's grow our stream. Sfiso Lucky Manan said, Mr. President, do you think trading alone is sustainable, or you recommend multiple income, especially if you are a trader? What I will tell you, my friend, is that for any business, even if you are not a trader, I would say get multiple streams of income. You know, there's one thing that people don't understand, especially in our industry. People like saying, but if you are making money, why do you do other businesses? It's not about that. Any business in life, right? Any entrepreneur will tell you that if I want to make money, I must get as many streams of income as possible. So it's not about being a trader. Before you are a trader, you are an entrepreneur. As simple as that, Fiso. Before you are a trader, you are an entrepreneur. So definitely as an entrepreneur, I would recommend that you get other streams of income because you're an entrepreneur, right? Even if you are not a trader, I would still say look for other ventures to get into, right? Because you're an entrepreneur. So most definitely get another stream of income. Even if you are making $1 million from trading a month, get another stream. Get another stream. Especially, and I always tell you guys that as retail trading is self-employment, because you need to be there to make the money, right? Unless if you are using automated systems. But if you are trading like me, the way I do it, self-employment. The business is highly dependent on me to be there so that I can make returns, right? So what if I'm sick for the whole month? That means I won't have money coming in. But if I'm sick for the whole month and I've got another business running elsewhere, at least I know that I can cover my bills. So it's about that, right? Getting different or multiple streams of income is not only about scaling in, but it's also about how you survive in difficult times. Like I always say, for me, a trader is not defined by how much money he makes, but a trader for me is defined by how well he can manage himself, his funds during difficult times. When you are tested, you are hitting stop losses every now and then, every week, every day, you are hitting stop losses, you are about to blow. For me, that's how a trader is tested. Not how much money he makes. Business is all about survival. Business is always about survival. How do you survive during difficult times? Black Will is saying those who never skip Forex basics will know that dodgy candle means NASDAQ 1 hour. What means on 1 hour? What a blue Monday. Man. No comment, Black Willow. Yeah, Koroshi, well said, my friend. Surviving is winning. I've been privileged to be in the room with a lot of business people, and the way I speak to you in the first 5 minutes, I can tell you if your business can survive during difficult times because of how you speak, you know. Sure. Look at that WTI. I'm enjoying WTI these days, man. I'm just enjoying WTI these days. This we might have, to review. I think this is too easy, man. I mean, retail traders will always put the trend line there and sell there. I think I have a different perspective about this thing. Let's not forget we are also watching gold. Gold is still going to the upside. Up by 1.7%. WTI up by 1.46%. Brent crude oil up by 1.6%. A lot of you have been saying, Mr. President, why is it that we don't see you anymore on Top Trader? Yeah, we were on production break, man, but we are back. Tomorrow, you will find a new episode being uploaded there. We are back from tomorrow. We were taking some bit of a break, It's a whole lot of things that were we're resting from. But yeah, we are back from tomorrow. Watch the episode. Sure. Look at that WTI come from 67 cents to 68 cents in just a space of maybe 20 minutes or so. This thing is volatile, man, and I like it when I see it like this. So our level has been violated, which that now means that we have to review this. We are now trading at $68. So as I was saying, this is too good to see, man. It's too easy to see for retail traders to think this is a Fed touch and sell there. I think this is where I'm going to sell to the downside, and by then I think we are definitely going to be up by 2%, right? That's how I'm going to be taking a sell on WTI. No one saying, does WTI pay like gold or currency? It's just that I never understand the paying language, Noah. You know, I always say, if you really want to know if something can pay you, always look at percentage, right? So if you look at currency pairs, let's have a look at this together. If you want to see if something pays, as you say, you always look at your percentage change, right? You will see that gold is up by 1%, right? WTI is also up by 1%. Brent crude oil is up by 1%, right? What does that tell you? That tells you that these are pairs or assets that are moving, right? So yeah, but the only disadvantage about this is that also, again, depending on the broker that you are using, right, the spread can be high. That's the only disadvantage about trading such kind of volatile assets, right? The spreads can be high. So yeah, WTI on Octa is not that bad. By the way, guys, if you want to join our private group, you know that it's free. We don't charge a cent. All you just have to do, there's a link on the description there. Sign up, use this promo code Trade with MJ for 100% bonus. And let me know just via WhatsApp and say, Mr. President, I want to join your team. And I can add you. Takes me 2 minutes to add you to my team, right? Just fund. Minimum deposit is $25 with our partner broker here. And yeah, I can add you immediately, because some of you always ask me how long does it take to join the Choppers Funded. 2 minutes. It takes 2 minutes. Once you've showed me that you've made your deposit, it takes me 2 minutes to add you to the group. Right, the market is about to open now. I want to see how this market will react, especially NASDAQ, given that we were anticipating this bullish momentum to the upside. Why? Because retail traders, they want to sell to this level, but many times their stop losses are being taken out before the market goes their direction. Hence why we said here we can look for bullish momentum to the upside there. What's number one on my watch list is WTI. I want to see if I can sell WTI at $68.49. Scalp it down here and take another buy here at $68.30 or $68.02. I will take another buy to the upside there. Right, choppers, just 1 second. I just need to go to the bathroom. I'll be with you. Don't go anywhere. We're about to take the trade now in the next few minutes. In the next 5 minutes, we'll see how the market will open and then make decisions from there. 1 second, please. Black Willow has already given a signal. The FSCA is coming for you, my friend. The FSCA is coming for you. Right, let's see what happens when the market opens now. Coach is asking President, how do I register for gala dinner? Just WhatsApp me, my friend. The WhatsApp number is up there. 076-350-6942. WhatsApp me, my friend, and reserve your seat. Yeah, Noah, you are right, my friend. I hope Black Willow has some millions to pay the FSCA for sending signals. To be honest with you, I don't have anything here to trade, except my WTI at 68 cents, $68. Is it $68? Yeah, $68.55. $68.55. That's why I want to take a position. Roshi saying the FSCA is, dude, it has never taken down serious names. Yeah, I hear you, my friend. I hear you. It's quite frustrating, I know. I don't know, maybe we should give them a time, but we've been giving these guys ample time and still. Right, WTI is gonna be up, is about to be up by 2%. Closely monitoring that and see if I can sell here. You know, my candlestick right there, taking myself there. This thing is volatile, man. It's already down, up by 2% already. Look at that. Oof. I love WTI, man. I love it. I love it. NAS is dropping, but not by much. You know, I can safely say that WTI, or let me say NASDAQ, has got his match from WTI. Can safely say that. Sure, look at that. Already up by 2.2%. Look at that on WTI. Man, if you are not trading WTI these days, I don't know what you are doing. But if it's not in your trading plan, please don't force it. Don't say Mr. President said, what am I doing without trading WTI? If it's not in your trading plan, please forget about it. Let's see if we have, if we don't get our rejection candle, then we're gonna let it go to the upside retest, and that's when maybe we say we are not reloading at $68. We will reload at We are not reloading at $68.03. We will reload at $68.53. Ayanda is asking, Mr. President, what's your take on BRICS? I think it's a good initiative, but it will take some time to formulate and materialize. It will take some time. It will take some time. But once I become president of the Republic of South Africa, I have a plan. I don't think I'm going to use this BRICS thing. There's other ways. I want South Africa to be fully dependent on itself. Fully dependent. Man, look at that WTI. Sure. Let's see where we can find our another stop sign. $68.92. Can we go back to $70? This is where we find $70. Well, let's find out. If we violate $68.50, then we look into $68.96. This is where I will take my my sell shot. In and out, because we missed our movement around this area here, so obviously it's already at the high and we don't want to out train it. We found another pin on POC on British Pound USD. The markets have opened, ladies and gentlemen. I think it's time to trade now. I like what I see. We are giving them 15 minutes for them to breathe. Then I'm executing trades from quarter 2. From quarter to 5, I'm executing trades. Let me know if you're joining me. Gold is official that is trading at $2,600 level. Let's have a look at AUD USD. Choppers, we had a a chopper here that was going for an interview. You still remember during the when was it? Was it CPI? Well, it was FOMC, right? We had a chopper that was going for an interview, and he received a call late at night, or a message late at night that he needs to come for an interview. We are still waiting. I forgot his name. We need that chopper to give us feedback, right? We wished him all the best with the interview. We want to know what happened. Gen 2 Success said, WTI, Mr. President. Yeah, man, this thing is skyrocketing. Going all the way to the upside. WTI, I'm telling you, if you are looking for something to redeem yourself this summer, if we are in South Africa, we are in the middle of summer, right? I can tell you now that you can redeem yourself by looking into WTI. If you're thinking that NASDAQ really moves, now let's compare WTI and NASDAQ head to head during these trading sessions. The market is just open. WTI is up by 2%. NASDAQ is only up by 0.26%. 0.26%. This thing is skyrocketing, man. It's moving, right? Hence, I don't even feel anything about taking sell short positions, because if I take a sell short positions and it goes my direction, this is what's going to happen. Let me go back to it. If I take sell short positions at $68.93, right, or at $68.51, what's going to happen is that you find that maybe it goes back to 1.5, even possibly 1%, right? That would have been me utilizing all these points going to the downside. And when we arrive back at $68, then I go to the upside. That's one thing I like about WTI. Noah Bondi say, yeah, the boxer guy, yeah. Where's our boxer chopper? We haven't had some feedback from our fellow colleague, yeah. Mazwi is saying, what about gold, Mr. President? Yeah, we are bullish on gold, my friend. We analyzed this in the morning with the 7 a.m. club. If you want to join the 7 a.m. club, you know what to do. So we wanted to get buying opportunities from 2,569, and also wanted to see if we can reload at 2,593, right? We did not get that. But yeah, we are bullish on gold. That's my analysis on gold. Still bullish. Mlungisi, still bullish, my friend. Let me check that WTI. Look at that rejection coming in on WTI. So if that WTI comes back and it doesn't give me an opportunity, obviously, between $68.92 and $68.52, I'm going to look into buying it here at $68.30. Mazu's asking me about the resistance that he sees on gold here. So yeah, we find resistance at $2,610 an ounce. That's where we find resistance on this thing. Again, you break it, reload, man, all the way to the upside. Like I said, I'm not looking for any selling opportunities on gold today. Right, US30, I was looking for selling opportunities at 43,664. Right, so that's US30. So US30 short-term bullish, but overall bearish. Maybe one of you or some of you are asking, Mr. President, you anticipated that we can sell at 68.57. Yeah, but the rejection candle is quite steep for me. Still waiting for a better one. Now, as you say, let's take a buy here on WTI. Wait, my friend, wait. Wait, not yet. We're gonna buy it at $68. My worry is buying it here. You still have this wall to deal with, right? 68.50. You still have this wall to deal with. But if you buy it here, even when you go approach that wall, by that time you could have mitigated your risk or managed your risk. Maybe you could have been on break even by the time you approach that wall. The best session to trade is the session that you have enough data out. You see, out of 40 something people that are streaming here, one will say New York is the best time, one will say London is the best time. There's not really a best session to trade. We trade according to the stats and the data we have collected. Some trade because they trade certain sessions because during certain sessions they're at work. Maybe they prefer to trade during. So there's not really the best trading session, to be quite honest with you. Bulungisa Ngalo say, he's saying, where's Ngobile Tembani, my brother? We're waiting for new videos on Top Trader. Yeah, from tomorrow, my friend. Like I said, we were on production break, but tomorrow we're back. We're back from tomorrow. We already shot the episode for tomorrow. Right, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to like and subscribe. Please do me a favor by liking and subscribe. Like Linda said, that we need to normalize liking the stream at all times. Let's do that. All right, those that are coming for the dinner, please don't forget to send your WhatsApp to book your seat. I still want my WTI at $68. Sure. Look at that rejection there. I agree with someone who was saying trade locker is trading view from Temwe. Alright, choppers, I've just been told that my 2 hours is up. I always complain with these guys that 2 hours is not enough. I think we need to extend it to 3 hours. At least we stream for 3 hours, because 2 hours is never enough with you guys. So yeah, I have to bounce. Something that we'll look into, to stream for 3 hours. I'm not quite happy, but yeah, joppy, they say I must switch off the stream. But yeah, I think we need 3 hours, man. This 2 hours thing is really killing me, because I mean, more especially now that the market only opens at 4:30, Central African time, and I don't trade normally from that time. I need from 5 o'clock, 4:45, 5 o'clock. That's when I take trades, and by that time, the stream is out. So I think we need to review the time we start the stream and the time we end the stream. But I still say 2 hours is not enough, man. I need more time to be with you guys. But other than that, we have to bounce for now. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Remember, 7 a.m. I'll be with you guys. We're gonna be doing live sessions in the morning to analyze for the new day. If you wanna join us for that 7 a.m., WhatsApp me on 0763506942. All you just have to do is to sign up with our partner broker here, Octa. Fund your account, then let me know, then I can always add you on our group. Chobas, it was good being with you guys. Thank you so much. I'll update you guys about this trade on the group. Like I said, I'm looking at buying at $68 8 cents. That's why I'm looking to be buying this thing. Thank you so much for your time. I'll see you soon. Cheers, bye.